ask you something. When was the last time you cleaned your dishwasher?
It's been a while.
The last time I cleaned my dishwasher was 6 months ago.
Oh my god, I actually never washed my dishwasher.
Last night.
Last night? Do you have a specific frequency?
I do clean it very often. I'm more of a clean freak.
The drain always plugs up super fast.
So I kind of wondering, how can I wash dishwasher?
You know, your dishwasher will clean things for you, so you need to keep it clean. And our experts will be sure to answer this one and give you a demonstration on how you should clean it. Got a question?
Go X Trail.